In this video, you guys, we're going to test my Audi project car from 0 to 60 miles an hour or 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. So yeah, watch the entire video for some fun. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dutch Mike and today we are going to do something really fun. At least for me and for you to watch. We're going with this car, as you know, the A4 project car. We're going to test if it still stands up to factory specifications. Which means we're going to do a sprint from 0 to 60 miles an hour. Also known as 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Now, as you know, this car is not quite okay, so I would be very surprised if he made it, because the target is 9.1 seconds, you guys. So yeah, there's I think we can go. Little heads up, I believe we can only do one sprint because it's way too busy. Here in Holland they opened the terraces and well, it's pretty busy. Good weather, so yeah, we will see. So let's go. Alright guys, the first test. Target is, as you know, 9.1 seconds. So yeah, let's go. Mandy's gonna keep a timer or stopwatch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep. Yep. Woo! I'm quite happy with that. So yeah. God damn. Woo. Alright. 9.3 seconds, so I think we can conclude that this car is still as fast as it used to be, because it was 9.1, so a tenth of a second, 2/10 of a second. You still keep that, because with the click and the start of the car and the pulling away and the synchronization with the stopwatch. So yeah, I'm not disappointed. It's better than the Touareg in the first run. So yeah, let's go home, because why need more when we have the perfect test already? So yeah. Woo-wee! Yep, we only could do one sprint, as I said. Yeah, it's way too busy on my normal road, because I just explained it. Yeah, to be honest, not disappointed. I mean, 9.3 seconds was it? Yeah, 9.3 seconds. That's only 2/10 of a second slower. So yeah, taking in account Mandy has to click on go and click on the camera. It's pretty difficult, so 0.2 seconds. I don't give a shit about that. Not disappointed at all, guys. So we know the engine is fine. The drivetrain is fine. It all works perfectly. So yeah, that was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, leave a like, and I will see you guys the next time after you subscribe down here below. See you later, guys.